encourage our youth to avoid falling in love before marriage. Why? Premarital love. Why? Is it because Islam is the strict religion? It denies our youth this opportunity to experience romantic love, to love someone? No, it's not about that. Islam is aware of the dangers of this type of love. Look at our youth. They don't take it seriously. They start these relationships. They fall in love to the point where that person now becomes their Lord. I've talked to many of our youth. Many of them commit suicide. Do you know that? Many people, one reason why teenagers commit suicide is, you know why? Because of broken relationships. Because they fell in love so deeply with someone, that person decided they no longer want them. They broke up their relationship. It left this person broken, completely depressed, to the point of suicide. You'd be surprised how many people. Even some people from our communities. Yes. When you travel to various communities, you will see even some youth from our own communities who commit suicide because of these things. Usually the families, because they feel ashamed, they don't tell society what's the reason. But you'll realize this is a common problem. And even if it doesn't get to the point of suicide, severe depression. Do you know what percentage of our youth experience severe depression because of this? Their life changes. So the religion of Islam is encouraging us, when you want to marry someone, choose the appropriate person. Make sure that this person has the right qualities, then fall in love with them. Because if you fall in love, you become blind. You only see the good side. All the negative qualities, you don't see them, right? That person becomes an angel to your eyes. And then this is what happens. They get married. Once they get married and that chemistry starts to subside and decrease, right? This person is shocked. You know what? You're a different person. What happened? Someone told me, Sayyid, this is not the person I married. I didn't subscribe to this personality. This person, after marriage, turned out to be a completely different person. He changed. I told him, no, Habibi, he didn't change. You were blind. When you were in that deep love, you were blind. You couldn't see. People don't just change overnight. It's the same person. But now that you're beginning to see this person realistically, you're seeing the qualities. So the Imam ﷺ says, when you fall in love with something, a worldly aspect of life, it blinds you.